Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom. To know how to fix or how to solve your Google Classroom, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to Google Classroom. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can give you a lot of problems in your app. And in the end you can turn off your phone. You will wait a moment to turn on your phone again. Sorry for that. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.